my commemorative beer stein from the video game Dead Space. It really has nothing to do with anything. Hello, welcome to Beater Box Friday. I'm SB Mitch. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it big time. If you like what's going on here, remember to subscribe, like the video, you know, that kind of normal stuff that people usually say at the beginning of their YouTube videos. Hello, pals! Today's box comes to us from Supremacy, just like most of the other boxes I buy. This box was $875 plus $50 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois for a grand total of $925. Look, that's a counter. Its name is clearance. It's going to be letting you know how much each shoe is worth on the secondary market based on size, condition, and other various factors that impact the value of a shoe. Then we're going to take the entire market value of the box, place it up against how much I paid to see how much profit there is. And remember, the things that pop up on your screen, that's just how much they're worth. That's not how much they're for sale for. If you want to find out how much they're for sale for, go to my website, sbmitch.com at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time today and find out. Let's find out what's in this box now. That was really aggressive. No, hold on, let's do that again. Hi, let's find out what's in this box here. Suit up. So Supremacy's physical store is closed lately, and that's where they get a lot of their beater box pairs from, is from locals. So all of the shoes that they're getting for these boxes are coming in through shipments. There's a very good possibility that this box could not be that great because they're just not getting in shoes from people that live in the Bay Area. So we'll see what's happening. Whoa, whoa, okay. So there's a Louboutin, but there's also a purple box SB. Let's get this thing out of the way. This is some kind of designer shoe. I don't know what this is. Whatever it is, it's a size 44.5, which I think is a size 11.5. Are these dead stock though? Well, these appear to be unworn. This is some kind of shoe. It's a suede shoe. It's designer. I don't really care for designer shoes or designer anything, to be quite honest with you, but there you go. I have no feelings on this. I have no idea how much this is worth either, so I promise I know what I'm doing sometimes. If you're interested in that shoe or any of the other shoes in this box, hit up sbmitch.com at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time today to purchase. There's a lot of red Nike boxes in here, so that's cool. Got a size 8.5 Air Max Tailwind 4. That is exactly what these are. These are a worn pair. This looks like some kind of grapish kind of colorway, maybe. My brother recently got really into this model. I don't blame him because it's a very cool looking shoe. Reminds me of a 95 a little bit. The blocking on this is really nice, and these are super lightly worn. Like, there's barely any wear on the bottoms. Original box is a little bit damaged. There's no nipple loss on the outsole, so that's very good. So, size 8.5, Air Max Tailwind 4 is your first recognizable shoe out. Next up, we have a size 8.5, Air Max Tailwind 4. These are also very lightly worn, maybe worn once, but it's some kind of grayish looking colorway. I can't tell if it's like 3M or anything. Probably not. Same model, different colorway. Same condition too, and same size. So it probably came from the same seller. Slick looking shoe. I don't mind it at all, but just not something I would wear or would be able to fit in. So size 8.5, Air Max Tailwind 4. I have a feeling these are all gonna be Air Max Tailwind 4s. Nope, got a size 8.5, a Nike Air Max 1 Premium. Those are words I like to see on a red box. So this is the pure platinum colorway of Nike Air Max 1. It's really nice suede. It's got a mesh toe box. These are lightly worn. Very cool colorway. Very simple if you're into coordinating your outfits. Size 8.5. Air Max 1 pure platinum. Cool. A lot of really nice suede on that too. There's an Adidas box in here. Let's get it out of the way. So we got an Ultra Boost Limited 8.5. Oh boy. Is that 1.0 knit? I think this is an Adidas 1.0. Is this the retro of the 1.0? I don't know if it's triple white because there is some kind of gray going on here, but nice looking shoe, size 8.5, very lightly worn. You can still see all the stuff in there. Very little outsole wear, just needs to be cleaned. Yeah, not an Adidas guy. I know nothing about Adidas. There you go, size 8.5, good size. Good time to get it too because it's summer almost. 4 more boxes in here still. There's a lot of shoes in here. Got a Nike Air Max 1 in a size 8.5. I'm loving all this 8.5. This is very cool. So this is another very just like one-toned kind of Air Max 1. I don't know what the colorway is called. What does the colorway say? White, pure platinum, cool gray. It's pretty to the point. It's a very cool looking shoe. Again, very lightly worn. Not as premium as the other pair that we just had, but these are still very cool. Very much a summertime shoe. Very lightly worn too. 8.5 Air Max 1. Ha, cool. Let me guess, something 8.5. Size 8.5, Nike Air Max 1. So this is like just a black and white, simple Air Max 1 colorway. These are really nice too. Suede mudguard, canvas vamp, leather side paneling, and leather swoosh. Really nice shoe. A very, very wearable shoe if you're into coordinating your outfits. Ooh, hey fella. 8.5 Air Max 1. I'm wondering where the money is in this shoe. So there is this. We're holding this for last. We have a size 8.5 Air Max Tailwind 4. These are lightly worn too. Some kind of almost all black colorway with a little bit of chrome. Is that chrome, would you say? Metallic silver, I guess. Cool looking colorway and a cool model again. I mean, there's just nothing more I can say because I said it for the first three of the same model with different colorways. But there you are, size 8.5. Again, super lightly worn. Air Max Tailwind 4. Your last pair out. This is a Nike Dunk Low Premium SB in a size 9. Recently I did a video on my favorite box eras, and this was my number 5 favorite box era. So not a lot of my favorites, but the Dunk Lows in this era are actually very good. It says black, deep orange. These are probably going to be the Hawaii Dunks. All right, so they're worn, but they're in very good shape. We got a size 9 pair of the Hawaii Nike Dunk Low Pro from the purple box era. It's got a mixture of materials on here. You got nubuck on the vamp. You got a patent leather mudguard, patent leather swoosh, suede ankle. You got the Hawaiian flag right there on the ankle. Fat tongue. I don't know if the secondary laces are in here. Yeah, the secondary laces are in here too. They're like kind of an orange color. SBs are hot right now, especially Dunk Lows. This is a very nice colorway. Size 9, very good condition too. Huh. If I'm gonna be honest, I don't really know how it's $9.25 shipped, but you know what? I could be wrong. Let's take a look at the numbers right now in the breakdown. I don't really know how I feel about this box. Let me know down below in the comments how you feel about the box, or just how you feel in general, because I'm always wondering. Weird box, not gonna lie. Really like the sizes in here, so that's pretty good. I don't really know where the money is. I don't know anything about those Christian Louboutin shoes, so that could be the money shoe. I don't really know. You probably just saw in the breakdown. Hey, if you're interested in any of these shoes, they'll be available on my website today, 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, sbmitch.com. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you. I'm about 2 weeks away from having a mullet, so that's pretty cool. But I will see you soon, and until next time, take care of each other and remember to make it fun, because shoes are supposed to be fun. Bye!